Oh my God. That mother, hey, that mother ain't going. That mother ain't even stable.
Dang.
Oh my. They still out here playing? It started raining. Y'all gonna be soaked coming in the house. All right, y'all, we on a countdown verge. I'll be back with y'all once we get this party started. You know, it's getting dark. Yeah.
Yes, you don't know.
They done?
Yeah. I got the little thing in the microwave. I think everybody except for us.
You got the ribs. I mean, I got the ribs, the pork chops. Ooh.
I told you he was gonna have some.
I know. Yeah, put your hand over it so that wind don't have to knock it down.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Wait.
Let's see how this one is. You know, but look.
Wanna see that? Wanna see that?
No. Look.
Right now?
It still works.
The baby.
Wait,
Go over there. I throw it to you.
Whoa!
Oh, look, he threw it. They're going to the other side.
I feel that rain.
Yeah, it's Kayla when it cut, you heard me.
What, please? Oh, where'd my one go?
Ain't no, look, they playing right now. You gotta wait. Hey, bro, no. Hey, come here.
I do fireworks.
What the?
Yeah, you gotta wait.
See, you used to this.
What's going on?
Oh,
Yeah, bro, score, bro.
you've been doing it, that's all.
Yeah.
I just want the fireworks.
He cheating. He cheating, bro. He cheating. Yeah. That's one.
Hey.
It's about to rain, you know what I'm saying? On the 4th of July, it's about to rain and all that. Same time, you know what I'm saying? It might just be a little drizzle. You know what I'm saying? Just get the grass a little wet. It should go away. But the party must goes on. You know what I'm saying? It don't stop here. By the way, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, and turn on all post notification bells off. My bad, man. This video, we just jumped into it. You know what I'm saying? It don't need no introduction. That gets vibes. Nothing special.
Some light,
Some light. Just kicking with the family, you feel me? In the backyard, playing some foosball, or whatever it's called. Got big brother over here in the cut, little brother right here, cousin behind the camera, big cousin over there. You know, so I know y'all didn't see everybody, but I get the point. The show must go on. Oh, what's the? So you get that. You get that. See, got stuff like this going on.
I thought just put on grass, bro.
The power is like get on.
Well, I got the hose to get the fire.
The whole backyard gonna be burned.
Got the hose.
Yeah. These ain't gonna go back. Ain't gonna worry about it.
Yeah. Throw back quicker. It's better than sprinkler.
All right, get back to the game.
Where is it?
Oh, this man, he be cheating, bro.
Oh, man, bro.
All right, let's go. Look, got it.
All right, you want to do it like, okay.
He wasn't ready.
Yeah, look at it. Look at it.
Dang.
That's crazy.
What the?
Your fault.
Right there behind you.
Come behind.
Oh.
Are you ready for the PlayStation?
Yeah, I'm bring.
Go look it up, Tino.
Oh, what?
PlayStation.
Alright.
Don't break it now.
Cedric.
Welcome back to the Fish Oil Family gang, you feel me?
Where's it?
It's in my backpack by the TV. What the? Oh.
Yeah.
Nothing did, no.
Nah, I went under.
He's trying to cheat now. What the? Got a little brother over here. What's up, gang?
Gang.
Made it to the vlog, man.
You already know what it is.
Because right here, see that? Got Nehemiah, Meanie right here. Oh my, they still out here playing? It started raining. Y'all gonna be soaked coming in the house.
For real.
Y'all,
It's raining right now.
you know, get here. Y'all get out the rain. Y'all don't go in there. You gotta let you drop a little bit. Y'all can.
Your turn. Your turn. I've been waiting on you, boy. Come on here.
Come on. It just rained.
I ain't going out there. I ain't going out there. I
I
ain't going in there.
Good
Rain. Nah, that's not what I ain't want, but I get wet.
Your turn, like I said.
I ain't going out there.
Let's go.
What you doing? Dribbling on?
Get crossed up.
Who get crossed up? Once it dry up, I'll come and get you.
No. Yeah, it don't matter.
Nah, once it
It
dry
don't matter. It's rain, no rain. That's how we do it.
It must have blood, sweat, and tears. It's gonna just rain.
Rain up to hide you.
The rain ain't gonna hurt you. So it start raining, y'all, on the 4th of July.
Right. Tell them y'all rain ain't gonna hurt you. That's how we do it in the NBA.
Not football. They be playing when it actually rains.
Oh. Let's go. Let's do it. That's how we do it out
Y'all
here.
use footwork.
Like that footwork?
So it's raining, y'all, on the 4th, man. I hope it's gonna stop soon, though. It shouldn't rain all day.
It's not gonna rain at night.
What the?
Ah!
Say what's up to the vlog. What's up? Man, it's my little sister, my little brother right here. And y'all know nephews over there, daughters. You gotta know these right here. It's raining.
Wait, what time does it stop? Can you look it up?
But ain't know what time it's gonna stop.
That's
Look
what
at
I'm
here.
saying.
What time it's gonna stop.
It's open.
And here he is trying to eat the rain, drink the
Can you
rain.
play dart if the garage is open? Ooh.
Nehemiah, you got anybody want to shout out?
Malia, my friend Malia, shout out to you.
Shout out to Malia. That's all you gotta say.
Yeah, because she's my best friend and today she asked and shout out. Shout out to you. All my videos.
Hey, big shout out to you, Malia. Did I say that right?
I'm about to play dart. Daddy, it's like a big old puddle right there.
Big shout out to me. Let everybody know. I'm the next WWE champ. No.
It's not the WWE chip. It's raining.
It's green.
There's too much rain out there.
It's green.
It's green?
Water green.
The water green?
Yeah, right there.
Where?
It's like a big old puddle.
Oh, what the? It's raining.
Okay, and don't let
Huh?
her get wet.
Hey there, Grayson.
At least when the rain slow down.
Let's go to I can go get it.
It's hot. It's raining. That rain cold though.
Feels good. That's how we do it.
Happy 4th of July to everybody that's out there that's watching, man. Y'all might not see this until the video is, 4th of July might be, it's gonna be over. I ain't gonna say might, it's gonna be over.
I'm about to go in the garage to play dart.
Go in there, play dart.
Oh, come on.
Hey, your shoes getting all soggy, man.
Yeah. You might don't want to get your shoes soggy. I have to step out the rain a little bit. I
Yeah.
don't want too soggy.
That's how y'all feet be stinky. Do you even got socks on? Dude, you two, you still right there. Y'all shoes gonna be all soggy, man. Y'all feet gonna be sweaty. Yeah. What's up, man? What you doing?
I will go to racing.
You chill. He said, I ain't part of that. I ain't been getting that right. He's on chill. They ain't got that. Waiting on Joby, man. Joby, wherever you at, bring a butt on. You always slow playing, bro. You always be the last one. Turn this around.
Joby. We waiting on you. I will be the next Randy Orton.
RKO.
Oh.
All right, y'all. Got this little crazy right here. Little something slight. Hey, it's a little loud. Don't get it twisted. I mean, it might look small, but it's loud. Let's get it.
Hey, no. What?
Y'all ready?
No, that's the one that made me.
Go away. There we go. Hey, this is for y'all, though. Why y'all run away over? Come on.
Where'd he go? What's your number?
No. Oh.
Hey, where'd he go?
Y'all bear with me. I'm sorry, y'all.
Get that.
I told y'all them allowed. I told y'all. Y'all thought I was playing. I told y'all.
That was loud.
What do you do? They over here trying to play curveball. She just lost. Kiana lost. She want the rematch.
Get off the move.
Look at.
Chicken the meal.
Boy, you leave that mailbox alone.
No, leave that. No, get him. Get him. That ain't his mouth.
Ain't nobody got nothing. God damn, what's going on in this game? Oh, never mind. Spoke too soon.
Steph.
Oh, 1-1. Here y'all go. They starting up.
Now it's starting as soon as you said that.
Exactly.
Hey, Thompson.
Oh.
Clay.
She's just a girl.
Oh.
Steph.
Oh. Okay.
2-3. Steph.
This is what you do when you ain't got no basketball. Go. You just pace. Oh, you just play curveball.
Steph.
And you need a score person. She keeping up with the score.
Oh my God.
Was this 3-3?
Steph.
Oh, dang.
That's 4.
Uh-oh.
3.
Game.
You're out for good.
You out for good.
For the final. Ah!
Come on, bro. Hey.
Steph.
Oh!
It's over. Yeah.
Dang. You got anything to say for the people?
Appreciate y'all for watching everything. You already know when it's Big Bill with D. You know what I'm saying?
It's like disgust.
What is it?
Disgust.
That's what brother.
Like say if you saw like a roach. Brother, what's that?
Brother. Javier, how you say it?
What?
What's the word?
Brother.
Who's this guy? What? Come here. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Look at you.
Look at him. Look at him, y'all. Look. He got some brotherhood.
Take off the hat. Take off the hat.
I got a fade, you know what I'm saying?
Take off the hat.
See, my hair. I need a haircut too.
Right now.
I do need a haircut.
See him going the waves and stuff. Okay, I see the waves. I see
Yeah, you know what I'm
the
saying? The waves, you know. I still need a haircut.
Mine's kind of looking like his.
Take off the hat.
Look at little daddy right here. You got
Nobody.
Well, his hair?
I mean, nobody.
No, that's
He
Mia.
just beat me at curveball.
Wait.
I'm LeBron James.
Ah, no, don't disrespect LeBron like that.
LeBron.
That's the GOAT.
I got another word for you. You suck. Stop crying.
Hey, they ain't got nothing to do with me, y'all. If y'all want to get them in the comment, I don't know. All the LeBron fans, lovers, that's on y'all. But appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Kevin working. Come on, Kevin work. Come on, Kevin work.
LeBron James.
And who's guy, man?
Hey.
This is 50 Cent. This is 50. This is 50 right here.
That's 50 right there.
50 Cent.
Says you know I play curveball, don't you? Oh no, she went way out there. What the?
Oh my.
He said, that was too much. No, she was speedy though. He was like, wait a minute, hold up. Said, you know I play curveball? Yeah. Play Cedric. Play Cedric.
Cedric already. You better let them know how many times I beat you.
A long time. 6 times.
Hey, baby, come on, you
No,
doing
like
it.
three.
You
No,
juicing it
three.
now.
Huh?
It's done?
I got darts.
Dart.
I know. I was playing those.
What a dart, man.
Right there.
Oh. Oh, yeah, I seen
That
that.
happened yesterday.
And I'm like, what the heck? The whole little track. Man on our job, man.
Oh, dang.
Messing up the car, messing up the scat.
Hey, man, don't be putting that on. Hey, those don't cost that.
Why you drinking?
I'm
What's in that cup?
It's a pop.
Ah, okay.
Oh, boy, big. Oh, man.
What you talking about, man? What you talking about?
They want to go on the bouncy house.
Ain't no bouncy house.
His dad is the bouncy house.
His dad is the bouncy house?
Go like this. Yeah.
Heck no, I might do that in work.
He be still dancing on TikTok, though.
I do.
Seen him on TikTok.
Yeah, Daryl, yeah, he be dancing on TikTok.
I do.
I retired. I'm too old now.
I seen him.
Oh, yeah, well,
I seen both of them.
yeah, I was. I stopped, though. I'm getting a little old. I'm getting old.
Oh, you know.
Ah!
Dang.
I be trying to dance like, hold on, girl.
You did the,
I was on this.
yeah. I can't even do that. I don't even know how to do that. Y'all was trying to teach me how to
Y'all
do
know
that.
how
I don't know.
I think I forgot. Hold on.
Get your foot right. All you gotta do is boom, 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 and
I can't do it. I can't do it.
and Dora know how to do it. Nah, you know how to do it.
The jerk.
Oh, the jerk, yeah. Teresa love the jerk. She's
She's trying to teach me how to do that. I still don't know how to do that.
that should be your stuff right there. She's like, hit the jerk.
I know. Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
I know. That's Dora. He's good too.
Like that.
Yeah,
So cute.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. You a jerk. I know. Hey now, dog. So teach you how to do a cartwheel. Oh shoot! Let's you go do it. Let's.
I already did it.
Oh, okay, yeah. So she said she ain't gonna do it. Watch out!
Stop.
I got you.
Come on.
You really scared of that? He's not gonna do nothing to you.
I just burnt my finger. It will do something.
Oh my God. Boy, you don't get your your finger. Let me see. What?
Do.
It burnt you?
Yes.
Come here.
Like it did.
It did. Probably did get you.
Did it hurt? Mine did because I had it too close to the lighter.
It stung you a little bit.
Yeah, it did.
Nah, it might.
She
It
got
might.
stung twice by it.
It might blister up later.
You can stay out here with your granny and daddy.
I don't
Which one you wanna do?
I legit think she's scared. Come on.
She's scared. Look at my mom. Mother right here. Fabulous. In a cut.
Daddy, those are dangerous.
What?
Come.
Watch out, boy. Ain't nothing in there. You burnt your finger?
Yes. I'm trying to.
Let me see.
Hey, what's that?
The mosquito
I might need to get that off spray.
Is that mine?
It's finna be yours.
I see what you're
See?
talking about. It's
It hurt
blowing,
my-
yeah.
Freaking dumb.
Oh my God. That mother look, hey, that mother ain't even stable.
Dang.
Dang. That's
Oh,
boy. She still sound like those sparklers. Oh, here we go. Kanaka, you better do it, man.
Hold it up. Hold it.
I want to do it myself.
Hold it that way. Up.
Keep it up. Good job. Look at him. Keep it up. That's it. Hey, now don't.
Why you think? Hey, man, my shoulder.
My
My shoulder.
Hey, look, nah, he recording this, bro.
Nah, bro.
He over here talking about height, bro.
Hey, bro, look here, bro.
We the same.
We ain't talking about you and girl. Y'all ain't. Hey.
Okay, now. Yeah, he the tallest. He got me by like a little.
He the taller than you, and then Kenneth faster than him.
Yeah.
No,
No,
Kenneth's about the same height.
it's Daryl, then me, then Kenneth.
No, Kenneth's taller than us. Kenneth's like 6'3".
No, Kenneth,
He like
no.
6'2".
No, it's not. What's up?
For sure. He's 6'2" though.
Kenneth is not taller than us. It's Daryl, me, then
He's
Kenneth.
taller than y'all.
Oh yeah, 100%, yeah.
No, he's not, bro.
Bro, he definitely
No,
taller,
we got
yeah.
our height, bro.
Can I pin up taller than Kenneth?
In the game, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, where that pump at? You already
Man, he did something with it.
What? Where you doing? What you mean you did something?
he had it.
You gave it to Canova?
Yeah.
Ah.
Nah, that ain't it.
These two ain't lit, bro. He had these two.
Yeah, those two?
And these are lit, these candles, bro.
Them dead. They already used them, I think.
For real? No, they ain't. Oh. Okay. These ain't lit, man. These two ain't lit.
That thunder is fireworks.
This Joey. They Josh off his dreads. They Josh off his
Got them dreads.
Josh off his dreads. I'm on there get long, man.
Gotta get the fit, though.
Yeah.
His dreads like way down here. I was like, oh,
That's too
Ooh.
Pass his foot. I said, that's how don't look at the place.
That's too long. I don't know right here.
Oh, there you go. They could have caught a pie. Lucky it's wet, though.
I'm glad it rained, though.
Yeah.
That's a little fountain.
Little fountain. Oh, that's definitely a little
Yeah, I
fountain.
told you.
Show the Cartier ring. Show the Cartier.
Yeah.
That's a Cartier, by the way.
I'll call her. Cartier.
Cartier. Chandelier.
Chandelier. Oh, the black cats. Y'all scared of these? That ain't the 100 drum.
I think it is. He just took the label off.
They took the label off.
Oh, yeah, son. Yep.
It's 100.
Yep.
I think the other one like the big drum, like 1,000 or something.
Yeah. That's not. It's just a little
What's
hoop.
up, man?
Dad.
Yeah. You can get hot. Oh, you can get hot.
Cartier,
He about to go crazy. He about to what? I'm coming for you.
Come here, Dad. No, go that way.
Y'all scared?
Yes.
Come here. Stop. No. Stop. No. He's up there trying to have fun. Uh-oh. Ain't done. It's still going. Get back. Get back. That's it. Bro, they played you. Right. What the? Hey, I remember we used to play with them. We used to throw them at each other. We used to light them up. That's fireworks right there. Yeah, that's fireworks.
No, I don't think so.
That's
No,
fireworks.
it's fireworks. I mean, that's a thunder, bro.
Mustang. Hey, what you doing with that, man? Man, I'm about to pop that right now.
Is that the big one?
Yeah. This man crazy.
That's 100 shots, bro.
That's crazy.
When you want to do this?
I will know when it get dark.
All right.
Say, they would
Oh, get yo. Got him. It's almost dark, y'all. It's almost showtime. You dig what I'm saying? It's almost showtime, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Man, get your-
Get on my daddy camera.
What the? What?
Oh, what the fuck?
Don't pull that.
No.
What in the? What a job. It's almost showtime, y'all, so y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on all post notification bells on. You dig what I'm saying?
Drake is way better than Kendrick.
Oh, you about to light another fat one?
I think he is.
Yeah, he's better than Kendrick. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like the picture.
Oh, y'all talking about? Nah, that's the one right there.
That's, I tell you, here now.
Kendrick and Lamar.
You said Drake is better than Lamar? All right, Canada. Dollar.
just
Yeah, Drake is. I ain't gonna lie, Drake is the GOAT.
besides this, when's
He
the
ain't better
last
than Chris
time
Brown.
you-
Yeah.
Oh, but Chris Brown's more R&B.
Yeah. Oh my God. Nobody scared of you. Oh my. Y'all over it. Wow, dang. I like it. Put it in the chamber. You wanna go? Don't go over there. Don't get you. It's time to put some off on. These mosquitoes starting to come out.
I got some on the table.
Yeah, I might about to go put some on.
I'll make sure to get that because they be tearing my house.
Man, I'm starting to feel them hit my skin.
Itches.
Why you trying to record me? Record you. Hey, this is going on nationwide though. You know what I'm saying? This is going across the world. See, yours is going on Snapchat.
No, it's not. It's going in my gallery.
Yeah, do the honors. Yeah, do it for Trump. Do it for Trump. Let's go. Do it for Trump.
Right. You're absolutely right.
Far! Oh my God. Alright, y'all, we on a countdown verge. I'll be back with y'all once we get this party started. You know, it's getting dark. People is getting ready. Look, they over there getting ready. Look, y'all already hear it. It's about to be a fest out here. So, oh. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? See? Oh. See? It's about to get lit out here. That's awesome. It's about to go crazy. Man. It's about to get wild, y'all. But we ain't started yet, so I'll be back with y'all once we get lit. We just waiting on until it get dark a little more. And we're gonna go crazy. Let's get it.
Ready?
Yeah. Get back, get back. Oh,
She probably working late.
what we got going on now? Somebody scared of that thing right there. Oh, no. All right, see what you're doing there. Dang. That little thing got some power. All right, come on with the little glistles, little stars, little stars, you know. Look at him, he over there smiling on the phone. Look at him.
Oh yeah.
I'll call him in 4K. He over
The real YouTuber.
there.
Channel coming soon.
That Joe's over there
Stream
smiling.
coming soon.
It sounded like he had a good text.
Yeah.
That's that after you get done what you're doing text. Like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Oh! All right. What are y'all doing? What is going on? What we got here? Oh, damn, what a shotty. It's on light. Hey, that's what you doing? You trying to? Yeah, I know.
Okay.
She the worst one out of everybody.
You want them out the street?
Yeah, I'll just put some over.
We got we in the news or something.
Yeah, we is in the news, you know what I'm saying? This is real over here. Uh oh, he about to light something now. He about to get down there. Hey boy, leave it alone. Oh my God. Jeez. Oh man. They showing out.
I'm coming at that we did all our little fountain earlier.
I told you. I knew that was gonna happen. It's storming and fireworks going off? That's crazy.
W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
What's all the W's in the chat? Dude, he watched stream too much. I was like, this ain't even a stream. Dang.
My turn with a cook up for the view.
Look at you talking for me. He about to lose.
Over that.
Huh?
Let's go over this shit.
Hey, y'all give him over there. Stay out of their stuff.
What are you doing?
Stay out of their stuff. Y'all stay over here.
I'm doing fit check. Do a fit check on the vlog.
Ah, the jerk
Do a
around.
drop still.
Is that 100 round?
Yep. I would jerk with you.
You know, jerk.
Bro, you can't even see us,
Jerk.
bro.
Got a light on there.
No, you don't want to be in the middle of that.
Bro, you don't.
That's something they ass here.
That must be fine everywhere, bro.
I know, yeah, that's one of the ones.
One of them ones.
Crazy fireworks.
That's all, it did the same one.
That was creamy meat.
Whoa, that mother came over here. You gonna go jump in it? Go ahead. Go ahead, get it. Yeah, go ahead, get it. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, get it. Go ahead, get it. Ah! That's all I'm saying. That's what you get. That's what you get. Go ahead. Go, yeah, you tough. Hey, that mother like a never ending.
I'm gonna get you while you're not living.
Go ahead.
That mother almost hit you in the head.
I know.
She's like, ew.
Exactly. Try to creep in there. I got it all in video.
You got a light on there?
Huh?
Where the light is?
It's alright, it's right.
Oh, this?
They don't need no, I mean, they ain't got no push light on, but.
Dead ass. How to get this?
Dead ass. Am I still going? What the? You did that. Okay, that's not bad, yeah. Not bad. That's not bad. Yeah. That's it. What's good, y'all? So this is the next day, man, the day after the 4th. It was amazing freaking night, man. I had fun with family. We had hex of fun, man. Shout out to all my family members that was there, man. Shout out to all my cousins, man. Shout out to my brother. Shout out to my kids. Shout out to everybody that was there, man. Shout out to my big brother for hosting. We had an amazing freaking night, man. Can't go wrong with hanging out with your family, man. That was like one of the best nights ever, man, hanging out with my family. If you know, you know. But it's always a good time when we all get together, man. It was good vibes, good energy, man, good food. Everybody enjoyed themselves. We popped fireworks, man. Everybody chatted, we talked, everybody caught up. We were just having a blast, man. Everybody was just being themselves. It was just amazing, man, you know? It just felt good, but man, like I said, shout out to everybody, man. That's all I gotta say, man, but this will be the end of the video. I didn't get to end it last night, so I'm gonna end it right here. Shout out to everybody, man, that's new to the channel, man. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Do all those good things. We almost to 1K. Get us to 1K, man. Our family is growing, and I'm very happy, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. As y'all can see, man, the video was everywhere last night. The camera was everywhere. But that's what happened when you have a good time, man. You're trying to get everybody in the moment, capture everybody in the moment. Hope y'all just enjoyed this video, man. That's how my 4th of July went. That's how the Curveball family 4th of July went. Yeah. And we brung y'all with us. So, yeah, for without further ado, man, we about to get on up out of here. Get us to 1K. Y'all stop slow playing, man. Get us there. God dang, get us there. Stop playing. Y'all slow playing with us. Y'all trying to play us. But I'm just playing with y'all, man. But I'm out of here, man. Thank y'all for the love. Thank y'all for the support. And I'm out. Oh, God. See y'all in the next video. Peace.